What's going on, everyone? Shri here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can avoid losing too much money while testing products for your Shopify store. So like always, be sure to hit that like button if you guys do find value in these videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just jump into it. So I came up with 4 different ideas that you can do for your Facebook ads in order to avoid losing too much money while testing. I know sometimes we have so many ads going on in our ad account that we fail to monitor them correctly, and this could lead to a lot of unnecessary loss of money. Now, before speaking about this, I want to mention that I do not think of this money as a loss, but rather as an investment into my pixel. And it's important to have the right mindset when doing e-commerce, because you could quickly get demotivated if you think of it as a loss and may end up just quitting in general. So it's important to have the right mindset so that you continue to strive towards your goals and hopefully become successful with your stores. So the first concept that I have is that you can create Facebook rules to stop ads before they reach profit margins. And it's very easy to create the rules. If you go inside your ads manager where you control all of the campaigns, you'll see that right next to the more drop down menu, there's something called the rules drop down menu. And when you just click on that, as I've shown in this image over here, you can create specific rules geared towards your ad sets, meaning you can have rules to stop ad sets if they cross a specific amount spent, or if they cross a certain cost per link click or cost per purchase. You can basically have Facebook itself control all your ads for you with the given metrics that you want it to use. And this is really beneficial because once you set this up, it basically works by itself. So it's just like a VA, but then it's for free basically. And it saves a lot of time if you're testing multiple products and are having a hard time dividing time between your personal life and the business life. So this is one thing that you can definitely do to avoid losing too much money while testing, is create specific rules which stop your ad sets before they reach the profit margins. And it has been very helpful for me, especially during the days I'm not available at all to monitor my ads. These rules basically work for me and get the job done. So definitely try them out and save a lot of time and hassle. And the second idea on my list is that you should take budget into account before launching different ads. And this can actually save you a lot of money that's being invested into these products. And you want to specifically think long term instead of short term. And by long term, I mean think of your weekly or monthly budget. Think of how much you want to be spending weekly for your ads or even monthly. And then divide your budget into the specific ads and the campaigns. Doing this will really give you a solid idea of how much you want to be spending per ad set or even per campaign, and how many campaigns or different products you can test with the budget you have. And this is just another simple way to tone down the amount of money you're investing into your products. The third thing on my list is fall in love with the numbers, not the product. You want to be killing ads that are straight up losers fast, and you only want to let the goods one continue to run. I have a very cool video that you can check out on my channel describing exactly when I kill my ad sets and what specific metrics I look at. So just hop on my channel, you'll find the video there, but definitely be looking more at the numbers rather than the product. If a product is a winner, you'll know from day one. And this could save you a lot of money, because sometimes our gut feeling tells us that this product could be a winner, but the numbers say something else. And if we just let it run just because we think it's going to be a winner, that could be an unnecessary investment, and you want to make smart investments in dropshipping. So again, fall in love with the numbers and the metrics that your ads are providing rather than the product itself. The fourth and final idea on my list is that find one strategy for testing products and stick to it. Recently, there have been many YouTubers putting out different strategies and basically describing their own experiences. And it can get quite confusing if you follow every single one out there. One thing you can do is find the strategies out there, basically make a list of what they have in common, and try to make your own strategy from all these different strategies that you find. And again, I have a video on my own strategy and how I test my Shopify products, so just check it out on my channel. But definitely be sticking to one specific strategy, because if you try to do every single strategy out there, pretty soon you'll get super confused and also end up investing a lot of unnecessary money. So find the strategies out there, try to put them into one specialist strategy and use it every single time. You don't want to be playing around too much with the strategies, but you should definitely be improving upon the ones you have. So this was just a quick list on what you can do to avoid spending too much money while testing products. Sometimes it does get out of hand. Profit is king, so whatever profit you have at the end of the month is what counts. So the best way to be testing products is to test it smartly and using the ideas listed in this list. So I do hope this video was helpful for you all, and don't forget to hit that like button if you guys find value once again, and I'll see you guys next time.